We are going to discuss the text feature diagrams. We can use informational text selections to find facts and details. And informational text can have diagrams. Diagrams are pictures that show the parts of something and help us locate information. Diagrams usually have labels that name the parts. Let's take a look over here. This is a diagram. The title is Parts of a Wasp. Take a look here at this first label. It says wing, wing, and we can see the label is pointing to the wasp's wing. Let's go ahead and we'll look at all of the other labels. As we read these labels, think about something that you've learned from the labels. This one's feeler. Oh, look at that. We have big eye, points to here. We have leg. All of these must be legs. Stinger, down here. And black stripes here on the wasp. So go ahead, think about what's something you just learned from this diagram of a wasp. Go ahead and share what you're thinking. One thing that I learned that I didn't know before is that this is the feeler. I thought it was an antenna. And apparently it's called a feeler, which is different than what I knew before. So that's why it's really important that you could look at diagrams and learn something from them. So today in your reading, you're going to read a story that's called How Plants Grow. And there's some pictures with labels or captions. But over here, we can actually see a diagram. And I want to look at that diagram a little closer with you before you go ahead and read it. So look at how this diagram labels different parts of the plant. We have the root down here. We have the shoot of the plant. Ooh, I didn't know that's what that was called. Here we have the stem. We have the blossom. That label points to the flower of the plant. Here it says fruit. Interesting. So it's pointing to the tomato, so that's called the fruit. Then we have seeds, and then it says inside fruit. Oh, so they show you that inside the fruit is where the seeds are. And then finally, it points to a leaf. So they have all the different parts of the diagram labeled, and it can help you understand something that maybe you didn't know before. So go ahead and look at this diagram closer as you read the story.